If you're looking for books that can completely transform your mindset and life, then you need to check out these three. These books change the way I think about success, money, and happiness. Let's dive in. 1. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. This book completely changed the way I see money. It teaches the difference between working for money and making money work for you. The biggest lesson? Schools don't teach financial freedom, so you have to learn it yourself. 2. Atomic Habits. James Clear. Success isn't about big changes. It's about small, daily habits. This book taught me how tiny improvements, repeated over time, create massive success. If you want to break bad habits and build good ones, this book is a must-read. 3. The Psychology of Money. Morgan Housel. This book isn't just about making money, it's about understanding how to manage and grow it wisely. The biggest lesson? Wealth isn't about how much you earn, but how you handle your money and your mindset around it. These 3 books changed my mindset forever, and I know they can do the same for you. Which one have you read? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing content.